Legends say that below the deepest caves, there is a city where time stands still, a place built by an ancient civilization and guarded by darkness itself. The deep dark. So why is Ponzu here? Is he looking for history? Is he looking for adventure? No, he is looking for loot, specifically enchanted golden apples. Look at him descend. He thinks he is a professional spelunker. But look at those shaky legs. He lands on the soft wool. Good job, Ponzu. Rule number 1, never land on the noisy blocks. The city is massive. Bridges made of dark stone, candles that have been unlit for centuries, and chests. Ponzu spots a chest. His eyes turn into diamonds. He creeps forward, slowly, gently opens the lid. Jackpot! A book of swift sneak, and a golden apple. He grabs the apple. He is so happy, he takes a bite. Crunch. Ponzu, are you crazy? That was too loud. Freeze. Don't move a muscle. The sensors nearby, they are twitching. They heard something. The signals are traveling. Ripples of blue light moving across the floor. Phew, they stopped. That was close. Too close. Suddenly, a bat. Just a bat flying out of the shadows. Ponzu nearly had a heart attack. Calm down, little panda. It's just a bat. Or was it? Ponzu continues deeper. But the air gets colder here. The lights are dimmer. And there, in the center of the city, stands the Warden. Look at the size of him. He is buried half in the ground, dormant, waiting. Ponzu has to walk past him to get to the exit. This is the worst idea ever. He pulls out blocks of wool. Smart move. Placing wool blocks muffles the sound. Step on wool, safe. Step on stone, death. He is inches away from the monster. He can smell the scent of souls coming from its chest. Just one more step. Wait, why is Ponzu looking up? Oh no. Dust. The ceiling is crumbling slightly, and falling with the dust is a tiny white feather. The feather floats down. It dances in the air, mocking him. Ponzu tries to blow it away. It doesn't work. It lands right on the wet nose. The tickle. The unbearable tickle. His face scrunches up. He is fighting the urge of 1,000 suns. Don't do it. Think about quiet things. Clouds, pillows, mimes. Achoo! The sound echoes like thunder. The sensors scream. The ground shakes. The Warden awakens. Run, Ponzu! Forget the wool! Just run! He is roaring. A sonic boom is coming. Dodge! Ponzu scrambles up the vines. He eats the golden apple. Go, go, go! He dives into the water stream. The monster is thrashing behind him. He reaches the tunnel. He looks back. Only darkness. He made it. He actually made it. But look, he dropped the apple. Was it worth it? Probably not. See you next time, if he survives.